Hi, this is Veera Reddy, lecturer in computers, JR Government College, Sattupalli. Operators. Operators are the symbols that are used to perform certain operations on data. C programming language provides a variety of operators, different type of operators in C. Operators are the symbols that are used to perform certain operations on data. We have a number of operators here. First one is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, special operators. These are all the operators in C. First one is the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. It is used to perform the mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Here, operations symbol description. Addition, plus symbol adds two values. Subtraction one value from other. Multiplication, two values. Division, one value by other. Modulus gives the remainder of division of two integers. Here we have a program. Include std.io h int main. Here int is equal to 40. Here int, you see here int a is equal to 40, b is equal to 20, add a and b. This is the number addition of 2. Here integer value a is equal to 40, b is equal to 20. Add a plus b. Then next one is subtract a minus b. Modulus a into b, a star b. Division a by b. Modulus a percentile b. Here printf addition of a comma b is percentage d hash n add. Next, here printf subtraction a comma b is percentage d and backslash n subtraction. Then printf division of a comma b percentage d n division. Then modulus a comma b percentage d mod. This is the arithmetic operators here. Can use arithmetic operators like this. Then relational operators. The relational operators are used to specify condition in programs. A relational operator is two values. If produce result as true or false. The relational operators are sometimes called comparison operators, as they test that are either true or false. C programming language provides the following 6 basic relational operators. Greater than operator returns false if the value on right side of greater than is less than the value on the left side, otherwise returns true. Next one is the less than operator returns the true with the value on left side of less than the value on right side, otherwise returns false. Equal to operator returns to true if the value on both sides of is equal or equal, otherwise returns false. Greater than or is equal to greater than or is equal to returns false. The value on the right side of greater than or is equal to is less than the value of the left side, otherwise returns true. Less than or equal to returns true if the value on the left side of less than or is equal to the value on the right side, otherwise return false. The not equal to operator returns true if the value on the left side of I not is equal to is not equal to the value on the right side, otherwise return false. Here example program. Example include std.ioh main int here int is equal to m and int is equal to 20. If m is equal to n, it is not is equal to printf m and n are equal, else printf m and n are not equal. Here see here print otherwise else part print m and n are not is equal to, that is right. Then return 0. This is the example for equal operator. It is used for any operator. Here you have to write this program for any other operator like greater than, less than, is equal to, not is equal to, less than or is equal to, or not is equal to. You can use any operator here. For example, you can write here the same. If here in this program hash include.io.h stdio.h main integers, in this program integer is equal to m equal to 40, n is equal to 20. If here you are used is equal to, if you want to use the if statement, the operator is equal, in this place you will write it as m greater than n, m greater than n. Here the statement is correct, so in this printf m is greater than n. Here write it as m is greater than n, else it is not greater than m. If m is greater than or is equal to, write an operator here greater than or is equal to. So in printf m is greater than or is equal to n. If in printf m is greater than n is also okay here. Otherwise, else part it is m is not bigger value, it is also write it here. At the same time, less than or is equal to, you can write it as less than or is equal to. In printf m is big value, less than or is equal to. So here you can write it as m less than or is equal to n. It is not correct here, else part n is bigger than m. So you can write the any operator here. We have to modify the printf. Next one is the logical operator. In logical operators are used to evaluate compound conditions. There are 3 logical operators in C programming languages: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. The symbol for AND operator, it is used to evaluate 2 conditions. It produce true result. Both conditions are true if produces false result if any condition is false. Condition 1 operator, condition 2 result. Condition 1 and false is false. Condition 1 false and operator true is false, and condition true and operator and symbol false, that is also false. When the condition is true, condition 1 is true, operator and is true, then only true. You see again here. Here condition 1 and condition 2. The result, condition 1 is false. We are using operator and operator. The condition 2 is also false, then false. Condition 1 is false, condition 2 is true, then only false. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false, then only false. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, then that is true. If the condition 1 or condition 2 must be true, then only the end operator is result is true here. Then the symbol the OR operator. The symbol used to OR operator, it is used to evaluate two conditions. It gives true result. If either condition is true, it gives false. Either condition is false. See here. If the condition 1 and condition 2. If the condition 1 and condition 2 are false, the result is false. The condition 1 is false, then condition 2 is true, then true. The condition 1 is true, then condition 2 is false, then true. The condition 1 is true, then condition 2 is true, then true. Here the OR operator, the condition 1 or condition 2, either one is true, then true. The two conditions are false, then only the false. Then NOT operator. The symbol for NOT operator, it is used to reverse the result of the condition. Operator, condition is true, result is false. Condition is false, result is true. This is the reverse result. Then assignment operator. Yes, assignment operators are used to assign a value, to assign or a expression or a value of a variable to another variable. Operator is equal to sum is equal to 10. 10 is assigned to variable sum. Here sum plus is equal to 10. This is same as sum is equal to plus 10. Minus 10, sum minus 10 is equal to 10, but is 10. This is the same as sum is equal to sum minus 10. Star is equal to sum star is equal to 10. This is same as sum is equal to sum dot star 10. By is equal to sum slash is equal to 10. This is same as sum is equal to sum by 10. Backslash percentage is equal to sum percentage equal to 10. This is same as sum is equal to sum percentage 10. Example: include std_h int main int is 10 total is equal to 0 and I. For I is equal to 0, I less than or is equal to 10, I plus plus. Total plus is equal to I. This is same as total plus 1. Print of total percentage total, return 0. Increment and decrement operator. C has two very useful operators, those are increment plus plus and decrement minus minus operators. The increment operators adds 1 to the variable and subtract 1 from the variable. These operators are called unary operators because they act upon only one variable. Operators plus plus variable pre increment, variable plus plus post increment, variable minus variable pre decrement, variable plus plus minus minus post decrement. Here we have to see here here we have increment and decrement operators. In this increment operator plus plus and decrement operators minus minus operators. The increment plus plus adds and values and subtract minus minus from the variable. The operators here plus plus variable here, this is pre increment, then variable plus plus is post increment, variable minus variable, this is pre decrement, variable plus plus minus minus is post decrement. Pre increment is pre increment means pre before increment, then the variable. Post means first variable then only increment. Same as decrement also pre first decrement then only variable. Post decrement means first variable then only decrement. Here syntax increment operator plus variable. Pre increment first increment the value and do the operations. Here example for increment. Include std_h int main. Here integer is equal to x comma I. Here I is equal to 10, x is equal to I plus I. Printf here x percentage x, printf percentage I, return value 0. Here x has a value, I has a value, that is 10, that is equal to x. So first the value x has 11 and then the value I is also 11 because increment operator adds the value plus 1, the x value is also 11 and the value is also 11 here. The above program first increase the value of the I and then used value of I into expression. Post increment variable, syntax variable plus plus. Same example we have to see here. Same example, include std.ih integer main int x comma I is equal to 10, x is equal to I plus plus post increment. Here you have to see here the pre increment and post increment. Here integer value x comma I is equal to 10 here, then x is equal to I plus 1 means that is the value is 11, I value is first increment, then the value I is equal to 11, then printf x value is equal to I, then the value is 11 and the I is value is the 11 here. Then the post increment, the x value is 10 here, then I value is 11. The above program first use the value of I into expression, then increase the value of I by 1. Pre-decrement variable, pre-decrement first decrement and then do the operations. Then here you see here you expect the values, the I value here I value is 10, integers I comma x is equal to pre-decrement I printf x percentage dx printf I percentage I written value 0. Output x is equal to 9 and I is equal to 9. Here the above program first decreases the value of I and then value of I used in expression. Then here int I x comma I is equal to 10, x is equal to decrement operator, so the value of I is 9 and the x value also 9 here. Then post decrement variable, the post decrement first do the operation and then decrement. Here integer the same program, the post decrement is taken here, include std.ioh int main int x comma I is equal to 10, x is equal to I printf x percentage d x printf percentage I return value. Here the value of x is 10 because I value is 10, then post decrement the I value is reduced by 1 or decremented by 1, decreased by 1, then the I value is 9. The above program first used the value of x in the expression, then the decrease the value by 1 here. Next one is conditional operator. The conditional operator returns one value if condition is true and return another value is condition is false. This operator also called as ternary operator. Syntax: condition, then true, the value false, value. Example: a greater than 100, the value 0% L1. The above example, if a is greater than 100, comma 0 is returned, else 1 is entered. This is equal to if else conditional statement. The expression, evaluation, procedure and associatively. Next, here expression, evaluation, precedence and associativity. Evaluation of an expression in C, very important to understand. Unfortunately, there is no BODMAS rule in C language as found in algebra. Operators have rules of operators have a rule of precedence and associativity that are used to determine how expressions are evaluated. When there is more than one operator occurring in a expression, it is a relative priorities of the operators with respect to each other with determine the order which the expression will be evaluated. This priority known as precedence. The procedure of operators determines the order in which different operators are evaluated when they are occur in the same expression. Operators of higher precedence of applied before operators of lower precedence. Consider the following expressions. Here we seen here the precedence mean in a calculation, in algebra calculations, in plus minus divided by and modulus and these operators are used in these programs. First, which operators is done or which is the first priority is taken and the what priority is done here. There is a procedure here. Here we seen this procedure. The following expression 4 plus 3 plus 3 star 2. The operator into or star has higher precedence than plus, causing the multiplication to be executed first, then the addition. Hence, the value of the expression is 10. An equivalent expression is 4 plus 3 plus 2, 3 into 2. But what happens when the expression consists of operators with the same precedence? For example, here the into or star is the first priority, then the addition. The total is 10. Here the associative of operators determines the order which operators are equal procedure of equal then occur in the same expression. Define the direction left to right or right to left in which the operator acts upon the operands both star and slash have the same procedure. Here division operator will be executed first, followed by multiplication operator. Then the value of the expression is 6. First taken slash or division operator by star or multiplication operator here. Table list of the operators in order of decreasing operator priorities and states their directions of here operators left to right. First brackets, square brackets, increment, postfix, decrement, prefix, increment, prefix, decrement, right to left. Here plus unary minus unary, then left to right, multiplication, division and modulus, addition left to right, addition and subtraction again left to right, less than or is equal to greater than or is equal to, left to right is equal to not is equal to, and symbol and R symbol. These are all the left to left here, not is equal to, comma operator left to right, grouping. Here n is equal to 5 minus 2 into 7 minus 9 has higher precedence than minus, so it is evaluated first and the statement is equivalent to n is equal to 5 minus 14 minus 9. The minus has left to right associatively n is equal to minus 18. Here the statement is equivalent to n is equal to minus here. Here do first An example of the use of precedence of operators here. You see the example carefully, and then output also given here. This is the operators here. Thank you.